Bonjour à tous, this is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. In today's video, we are going to learn about les articles, the articles. Just like in English language, we have the articles a and the. So in a similar way, we also have articles in French language, but they are slightly different. So let's get started. Now before we begin, first of all, you need to know that French is kind of a gender-based language. That means that every object, every word has a gender. Sounds weird? But yeah, that's how French language works. And that's how, based on the gender of the object, person, whatever, you use the articles, the adjectives, the verbs, etc. For example, a chair. A chair in English is a chair. There is no gender to it. But in French, it is called chaise. And chaise is a feminine word. Chaise is a feminine word. For example, we say a gift. A gift is called cadeau in French. And it is a masculine word. Cadeau. So how do we recognize that a word is feminine or masculine? Now it all depends on practice. The more you delve into French language, you would get to know which word is feminine, which word is masculine. You get an idea. But in general, for most of the cases, we can see that the words which end with E, they are generally feminine. The words which end with E are generally feminine. For example, gomme. Gomme is an eraser, une gomme. And the words which start with a vowel are also used in the feminine form. For example, idée. Idée means an idea, so it's a feminine word because it starts with a vowel. However, there are a lot of exceptions in French language and you can't just learn that this is the list of feminine words, this is the list of masculine words, they follow a certain rule. No, that's not how it works in languages. There are a lot of exceptions, so you will learn as you go further. So today we are going to learn about les articles définis and indéfinis. Now there are two types of articles in French language. Articles définis, definite articles, and articles indéfinis, indefinite articles. Now in English language we have a and the as the articles. Now the is a definite article. Why? Because it is used to signify a specific object, a specific person whom we know. For example, if we say, the boy I met yesterday is the one who will be your friend. So if this is an example for say, so the boy. So we're talking about a specific boy. If we say, for example, what is your answer? What is the answer to this question? So the answer, we are referring to a particular answer. Now, for example, if we say, I want an apple. It can be any apple. There is no definite apple that we are talking about. So we use an. So that's how we segregate definite and indefinite articles. So in French, let us first talk about les articles définis. That is the. Now les articles définis are used as le for masculine words, la for feminine words, les for plural words, and L' for words which start with a vowel. Let us take some examples. Chaise. Now chaise is a chair. So it is a feminine word. So it will take la chaise. Tableau. Now generally words which end with U are generally they are masculine. So tableau is a table, but I'm talking about generally. It's not the case all the time. Tableau is masculine, it means a table. So it will take le tableau. If. If means a neck. It starts with a vowel. So whenever a word starts with a vowel, we put L' in front of it. So it will be leaf. Let's take another example. If it's say a plural word, maybe either masculine or feminine, so we use les. For example, livre. Livre is a masculine word, but livre, plural, will be les livres. That's how it works. Now let's talk about les articles indéfinis. Indefinite articles. These are un for masculine words, une for feminine singular words, and they for plural words, either masculine or feminine. Now, and une means either a or an. It's not completely like English language. There is no segregation of a or an. It is just based on gender that we use or une. They means some. If you want to say, for example, I want some books. Je veux des livres. They means some. And it is an indefinite article and it is used for plural words. For example, maison. Maison is feminine, so it will be une maison. Fleur. It's a feminine word, une fleur. Then again, cadeau. It's a masculine word, un cadeau. Suppose we have a word which starts with a vowel, so it will be taken as a feminine word. For example, orange, which is orange, so it will be une orange. If it's a plural word, for example, we say arbre, arbre, trees, so it will be les arbres. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you were able to understand the basic concept of the usage of the articles in French language. I have attached a document in the description below which has some questions for practice along with their answers in the same document. I want you all to practice those questions, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment them below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. So see you in the next video. Till then, au revoir.